Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to design a monster character which will be meant for a PC game. So as you see the question itself which asks for a monster, that means you need to incorporate certain horrific features into a character and design it in a way that evokes a feeling of fear on the onlookers. So let's start, and you can also uh, play around with shapes which looks very weird or something outwardly and fearful. Okay, so you don't, it's not necessary that you always need to make it look like a human. It can be, it can look as weird as possible, and that is why these character sketches are given to see and explore your creative sense and your imaginative, where if you can manage certain weird designs, because as a designer or a character you need to able to draw both beautiful things and weird things which does not looks uh what we say is not pleasing to the eye. So you see we slowly developed, trying to develop a figure which develops, shows some weirdness, and then we will add to the details of the face. So now we can go together, go inside and add some details so that the figure comes out. Some disarranged teeth, to bring out the teeth you can shade the inner part of the mouth. So now you see that inside of the mouth has come out, and therefore we can work on the outer parts to give it a little bit of skin texture. which can look as creepy as possible. So how to use the texturals and your drawing capability to bring out those effects depends upon your ability to handle complex subjects like this. So you can add some bended figures which we generally see in various monster characters. Their hands are looks very creepy, and it's not straight though it's the anatomy is slightly inspired from the human hands, but it is bended here and there, and that adds to the horrificness or the creepiness of the character. After this, you can use the eraser and erase the lines which is disturbing the teeth so that it comes out real nice. And then again, just sharpening the edges. So I hope you understood how to draw figures and characters like this. You can try other forms where the body shape might be different, hands and legs of a different proportions and a different posture. But overall, whenever you face this kind of question, you shall remember that the character shall reflect that personality. Like here we have a monster again, so it has some monster personality, and that features has to be present. Okay. Similarly, you may face questions where you have to draw heroic characters, okay, or some other forms, comic characters. So that personality shall be present in that character sketch. So I hope you understood. Keep practicing like this. Thank you.